Hello everyone, I'm Edmund, the General Manager of ITOP Kitchen. Today we are showing you our manufacture center here. We own 9,000 square meters of factory with more than 200 workers. Welcome to our showroom. You can see all the espresso coffee machine here. From here, they are for the commercial use situation. These two groups can work in separate temperature, and the press is very stable in 9 bar. Our machine is quite different with others. For example, the pure copper boiler and the commercial pump, and also use the PID temperature control system. And you will see the PTC mode and to make the temperature exactly, and also have the pre-shaking function. It has two boilers. One is 750 ml for the coffee. Another one is 2 liters for the steamer and the hot water. And this is commercial pump. Is rotatory. Is imported from American. And this high press value is also import. And this electric and magnetic value is also from abroad. And you will see all the pipe is made of copper, so this machine can work well. And at last, the temperature of the water and the press will be very stable. And you can see the steam will be very dry from this pipe out. And also outside, we have the PTC heating mode, so can keep the temperature of the water very stable, will not drop down suddenly. And also this boiler is controlled by the PID, so the temperature will be exactly and in 1 degree Celsius. Welcome to our workshop. Now I will introduce every process to you. Now I will tell you how to install the espresso coffee machine. Here is to bundle the cables, make sure the line is clear. Here is to clean the dust, to make the inner is clean the dust. Here is to test every function to make it perfect. We will put the mat to test the pressure of the machine. Finally, we will use the factory style machine to clean the fingerprint to make it perfect when our customer open the machine. At last, we pack the machine. I hope you enjoyed today's factory trip. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.